Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you uh, my first time trying to dry fruit through a dehydrator. And we tried this dehydrator before. This is a Nesco a professional food dehydrator. It has all the needed temperature of different kind. You have jerky if you wanna dehydrate meat, fish, fruit and vegetable. We had tried using this before with herbs. We tried basil and oregano, and I tried moringa, and it works perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is try to make fruit dried, which is perfect for a snack. uh, you can buy the fruit, dried fruit I mean, in supermarket, and but it has all the sugar in it because uh, companies try to have consistency. But we all know some fruit are different from others. So to have a healthy on-the-go snack and to preserve your fruit, we can do that through drying with a food dehydrator. And this is perfect for, especially for fruits that are seasonal, and you can buy them for chips, for cheap. Okay, just caught myself in there. But anyway, for cheap, and or if you happen to go to a fresh market or pick yourself and you have plenty and you cannot finish it, so don't waste it. You can put it in the food dehydrator, and that extend the life of the fruit, where all the vitamins and the minerals are still in there. So what I have here are 1 pound of strawberries. I just cut like this. I have not tried it. So this kind of thickness. So it's like one strawberry I cut into like 3 times this one. This thickness, like. And then I have here 3 medium-sized banana and 1 medium-sized pineapple. So the pineapple, I made some like smaller, like bite size, and I will try to make the one in rings also. So what we gonna do is, so we have here, see, you can, for bigger pieces, you can put directly your food or fruit in here. But we have also like a mesh, like a tray mesh. So I'm will gonna put it here. So so I'm gonna do just spread the fruit evenly. At least you have some space. Put some say. Okay. I'm gonna wear my gloves and do it by hand. So I'm gonna try on my banana. Try to so you have to like arrange them and at least leave some space for the airflow or the heat flow, I should say. So just gonna go spread this. And when it's dry already, it's really perfect for a snack on the go. No added sugar, no citric acid whatsoever. You can just put it in a like a container, your lunch container or Ziploc bag, and then I think I don't want to crowd this one too much, and I will put this one over here. This food dehydrator we have has a 5 layer in it. You can, I think there's a model that is like smaller, like 4 layers. And if you wanna purchase one, and then we put a link below, and you can choose what model you have. This one is the 5 layer Nesco Professional Food and Jerky Dehydrator. But we have a link below if you don't want the bigger one. And if you want much bigger than this, they have it also. So I'm just gonna spread this. And like this. Okay, this one is thicker. Anyway. Okay, this layer is done. So I'm just trying this one because I wanna see how, and you can cube it. I guess I'm just gonna spread this one. Especially if you have a garden and you wanna save, you know, some of your harvest. There's one another way also. They call it like dry freezing. Freeze dry, I mean. But the machine are so expensive for me. So it's not really an option for me for now. So I have more. I have one more layer. Nada. No, this one. Okay, here's my banana. That one piece go to my husband, can have it. Now the banana are kind of sticking to each other, so I'm just gonna take my time and spread it. And I think I have not tried drying fruit yet, but I think they will dry, what should I say, in different time, because I think they have their water content differs from fruit to fruit. So I will check later if, you know, how much time the banana required to dry, and how much the pineapple and the strawberry. They might not dry together. Other fruit might take longer than others. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. And then if, you know, you happen to have fruits that are not sweet, maybe you can add a dash of sugar or honey, or agave syrup. So maybe you can add that one, so that when you really want your fruit to be sweet. But in this case, we don't add any. Okay, I think I have a good spread over here, and I think this is it. So we're gonna put it on the last layer like this, and then so we're gonna start the machine. And we will show you halfway through the process, and we will show you halfway the process, and then we can gauge and how far maybe we need to go. Uh, so this one, for the fruit and vegetable, it says 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Maybe we check, maybe after 5 hours we check on what's the appearance of the fruit, of the individual fruit, and we see you soon. So our dried fruit is ready, and you can see it's pretty dry. So this is how it looks. The strawberry and the pineapple dried within 15 hours. This is all done in with 15 hours. But the banana is, I think, need a little bit more time, because one mistake I made, I put it in like a closed tray. I should have put it on the mesh so that it will get a better airflow or circulation of the heat, but it's looking good, but it's still moist. So I think we're gonna put it back for an hour or so maybe and try. But our strawberry is really looking good. You can I can hear the sound when you drop it, like this. And also the pineapple. See, that's the pineapple. I'm gonna put this one over here. And our clean mason jar where I'm gonna put it is ready. So I'm gonna put this one in the mason jar. And this part here, the rings are really looking good. So they're all pretty much, they're dry, so, and ready for storage. So that's it. I'm gonna put this one. And then when you stored it in a clean, dry container, and every time you wanna snack it on, you just get a little bit. So our banana stays there for now. So that's it. No, I will try it. Try it first. Really good. Really good. Sweetness is okay. It's good. No added sugar, no added whatsoever. So, snack on the go. Healthy snack on the go, made from home. Oops! Failure. So I'm gonna put that one in another container. Or, honey, can you give me a scissor, please? No. Okay, I was asking my husband to give me a scissor so I can cut it. And he make a sign of just crack it. And yeah, I'm just gonna crack it. See, I'm just gonna tear it and put it here so it will fit. It's really nice. This one you can have it, give it to your children for healthy snacks. There you go. And the banana stays for a little bit more on the back to the dehydrator. So this is it. And please Make a comment down below. If you like this video, please share it with your family and friends and try making it at home. Please don't forget to subscribe in our channel for more future videos. Hit that notification bell. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time and take good care. See you soon.